Welcome to the Indeed SEO channel. Ever dreamt of sending 1,000 personalized cold emails in just seconds? Well, that dream is now a reality. Today, we're diving into how we can use the power of AI to skyrocket your outreach game. Ready to boost your email open rates and make your outreach feel like a one-on-one conversation? Let's get started. The cold email struggle. Let's face it, cold emailing can feel like shouting into the void. Your inbox is flooded with spammy, generic messages that get ignored faster than you can say unsubscribe. But what if we told you there's a way to stand out without spending hours crafting the perfect email? This is where AI comes to the rescue. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, always ready to craft the perfect email for each lead, fast. Why AI makes all the difference. Why AI? Simple. Traditional cold emailing involves endless manual effort, sifting through spreadsheets, writing individual emails, and hoping something sticks. But with AI, we flip that script. It analyzes data from your leads, whether it's their name, company, industry, or competitors, and creates highly personalized, compelling emails that grab attention instantly. Imagine crafting emails that don't just talk at your leads, they speak to them. That's the magic AI brings to the table. Enter Instantly's AI tool. Here's the real magic, Instantly's AI tool. With just a few clicks, you can upload your lead list, and bam, AI-generated personalized content ready for action. Whether it's the first line or a full email, the AI takes care of the hard work. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just choose a template, and let the tool generate first lines that speak directly to your leads. It's like having a creative genius behind the scenes working 24/7, crafting personalized touches for every single email. How does it work? Okay, so how do we make this happen? First, you feed the AI with data like company names, industries, and even a little info about competitors. This gives the AI everything it needs to write a unique and relevant opening line for each email. You can even create your own custom templates. If you've got a unique angle for your campaign, feed the AI that, and watch it work its magic. Power of personalization at scale. Here's where the real power lies, speed and scale. Using AI, we're not talking about sending a few emails here and there. We're talking about sending personalized emails to 1,000 leads in mere seconds. And guess what? Each of those emails feels like a personal conversation, not some generic blast. Your leads won't just read the email, they'll feel like you took the time to understand their business and their challenges. Maximize the impact with testing. AI is powerful, but we want to make sure it's working as hard as it can for you. That's where A/B testing comes in. Test different AI-generated lines against traditional ones, and see which gets the most opens. The beauty of AI is that it learns and improves over time, so you'll continually refine your emails for even better results. A sneak peek into the future. Now, for the advanced move, imagine scraping LinkedIn data to pull in even more details about your leads, like their company description, role, or recent activities. That's the next level personalization we're talking about. Feed the AI this goldmine of data, and watch it create first lines that feel so tailored it'll make your leads wonder if you're reading their minds. So there you have it, AI-powered email personalization at its finest. We've gone from generic emails that get lost in the noise to sending personalized, engaging messages that actually get opened, and most importantly, responded to. Ready to take your outreach game to the next level? Give Instantly's AI a try, and start turning cold leads into hot opportunities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing tips to optimize your email campaigns. Let's make your outreach smarter, faster, and more successful.